This is Pangasinan, a province in the Philippines located northwest of the country's capital, Manila. It is home to almost 3 million people and a culturally rich local language, Pangasinan. Recently, our team visited the University of Luzon to ask students and educators about the state of the native language in Pangasinan. We discovered that because of the widespread use of Filipino and English, the national lingua franca of the Philippines, the local language is dying out, and with it, a vital part of Pangasinan's identity and culture.
Kasi mahirap na din po sa mga kabataan ngayon, hindi na po masyadong nakakasabay sa mga language namin.
I've already been here for almost 10 years since kindergarten. At within that span of time po, hindi pa ako masyadong marunong magpangasinan.
The culture is manifested on the language that you speak, and that is the relationship. They are inseparable together. They're like husband and wife together.
Students like the ones we interviewed are passionate about learning their local language, but few steps are being taken to address this willingness to learn.
Mas gusto ko pang matuto na mas malalim na Pangasinan kasi mas nagkakaintindihan talaga yung mga tao dito dun sa pakikipagsalamuhan ng Pangasinan.
Opo, para sa akin po, kailangan pong ituro. Dahil yun, nasa Pangasinan nga po, nasa province ng Pangasinan so that mas mapapalawak yung language or yung dialect ng Pangasinan.
Dito sa UL po, wala naman po kasi kaming subject.
I think it is very vital for us to have a renaissance of sorts in terms of using the language, enjoying the intricacies and the nuances of the language, in terms of creating more literature for the language.
But change is possible. Our team of trailblazers envisions a Pangasinan where every student can speak the local language comfortably and fluently. A Pangasinan where the native tongue experiences a cultural and social revival. That's why we want to create TalkEd.org, an accessible, non-profit online platform that provides resources for the learning of Pangasinan to students and educators. Elementary students will be able to sign up online for free and immediately gain access to a wide variety of educational aids to help them study their mother tongue, while schools will be charged a small subscription fee for additional access to materials specifically created for educators, such as lesson plans, worksheets, and other teaching aids.
To create these resources, we are already working with schools and local government institutions in Pangasinan to reliably provide access to TalkEd.org to both students and educators.
Madali na nilang ma-search or makakuha ng kumbaga detalye patungkol dun sa Pangasinan dialect.
University of Luzon is willing. If you want to be partners together, well and good. We can collaborate also in terms of maintaining or even intellectualizing our language.
TalkEd.org stands to help nearly 3 million Pangasinense rediscover and revive their cultural heritage.
Siya yung siguro yung magpapakilala, talagang magsasabi na isa akong Pangasinense. Pag Pangasinense, kung marunong talaga akong magpangasinan. Nagmula ako dito ako pinanganak, dito ako lalaki.
Parang masasabi nila sa'yo na ay Pangasinan siya. Naturuan siya ng mga kapwa Pangasinense niya na magsalita ng Pangasinan at kung paano ako magsalita ng the way ng Pangasinan and kung paano po yung puso ko nanggaling.
Mahalaga po para sa akin ang wikang Pangasinan dahil sa tingin ko ay pamana ito ng mga ninuno natin, ancestors, at ito po ay ipapamana pa natin sa susunod pang henerasyon.
But TalkEd.org doesn't have to end with Pangasinan. The Philippines is home to hundreds of native languages which are dying. We can start here in Pangasinan to spark a change in the way our nation views its cultural heritage of language. And we can start here in Pangasinan to create a country where no student will be deprived of an education in the language that is their cultural right. This is only the beginning. We hope you can choose TalkEd.org and help make our vision a reality.